In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload files, how to create Google Sheets and Google Documents and share links. Many benefits to uploading and creating files in Google Drive. Great way to improve your productivity, accessibility, collaboration, free storage, file management and data security. Let's start. First, you need to click 3 dots Google app. Go down, find Google Drive. Click on it. You will see the Google Drive interface to buttons and layouts should be quite similar mine. Left click New. Then New folder. Give the folder name. What you want here. Click on Create. So your new folder created here. Upload files. So right now it is an empty folder. In my drive, my desk, and then from here click New File Upload. Please like, share, subscribe. Select File and click Open. On the bottom right here you see uploading is going on. So this is the very easy way. So you can upload folder here, create Google Sheets and Google Docs files. And if you want to create Google Sheets, go to New, scroll down and click on Google Docs, Google Documents, blank documents. So your new Google Docs created here. New Google Docs. Give the file name here. Close the file. So you see here the new Google Docs file created, but still don't change the name. You can rename from here. Okay, I already changed it. Most probably I need to refresh it. Go to my drive, click on my task, so task to do file name updated.
And if you want to create Google Sheets, which is working like Excel file, you can do ID from here.
Scroll down and go to Google Sheets and then click on blank spreadsheet. So right now you can type to change the file name. Give the file name here. Shipping and then go to my task. You see file name has been not changed here. You need to click on my drive and then click my task. So it will be reloaded. So you see how easily you can create Google Sheets. Share the link. I will show you how you can share your folder. Select the folder, you click this people with plus symbol. Select my drive, select this one person plus symbol. So exist loading here. Add people or groups which you want to go share the files for people with access. Right now general access is restricted. So you can anyone with the link. So this means anyone with a link can go and view these files and download the folder. Copy link. Click on Done. Click on that. You can share a certain file, select and click on people icon. Copy the link here and you can send people by email. Second way to share the folder. You can select the file and from top click on Share. Fill up this window and share. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.